Actress Lizzy Anjorin recently delighted her fans by posting a video on social media showcasing her pregnancy journey. The heartwarming clip featured Lizzy's husband lovingly rubbing her pregnant belly, revealing a tender moment from her past. In the video, Lizzy humorously mentioned her skincare vendor's surprise at her lack of pregnancy marks or stretch marks on her skin. This playful comment alludes to the common physical changes that many women go through during pregnancy, like stretch marks, which are entirely natural. Lizzy Anjorin's decision to share this nostalgic pregnancy moment with her husband underscores her openness with her social media followers, giving them a glimpse into her personal life and the affection she shares with her spouse. Furthermore, it's worth noting that the actress used this opportunity to promote her skincare products, as her post humorously mentioned skin tags. This light-hearted update offers a fun and relatable peek into Lizzy Anjorin's life, both as a celebrity and as a soon-to-be mother.